Imagine this. You're standing at the edge of a vast, endless ocean, and across its waves lies the life of your dreams. The job, the home, the love, the peace you've always wanted, all waiting on the other side. Now, what if I told you that you could reach it simply by casting your thoughts and emotions like stones across those waters? You already hold the key to creating your reality, and today, we'll dive into 20 powerful techniques that will teach you how to use it. Manifestation isn't some distant mystic skill. It's a natural art waiting for you to explore it. Guided by the wisdom of Neville Goddard, we'll uncover methods that make your desires real and help you to experience the life you want, all with practical, intentional steps. Technique 1. The power of assumption. Neville Goddard taught that the foundation of manifestation is to live as though your desire is already real. To assume the feeling of your wish being fulfilled, close your eyes and picture what life would look and feel like if you already had what you want. Imagine yourself holding that promotion, celebrating your new relationship, or enjoying good health. Feel the joy and contentment it brings, as if it's already yours. This technique isn't about pretending or lying to yourself. It's about creating an internal reality that reflects your deepest desires. Every morning and evening, take a few minutes to immerse yourself in this state of assumption. Let the feelings settle into your heart. When doubts arise, gently return to the certainty that this is already yours. The more you practice, the more this feeling becomes second nature, aligning your mind, body, and spirit with your vision. Assumption is more than a mindset, it's the foundation of all successful manifestation. By assuming your dreams are real, you establish a powerful mental state that draws opportunities and experiences to fulfill that assumption. Remember, what you assume to be true becomes true. Technique 2. Visualization. Visualization is one of the most widely used techniques in manifestation, and for good reason. When you close your eyes and vividly imagine your desires as if they're happening now, you're sending a clear message to your subconscious mind. Sit in a quiet space and picture yourself in a movie where you're living your dream life. The more detail you include, the better. See the colors, feel the textures, hear the sounds. Use all your senses to make the scene as real as possible. If you're manifesting a new job, imagine sitting at your desk, feeling the satisfaction of meaningful work. If it's financial abundance, picture yourself checking your bank account and feeling grateful for the balance. Visualization is a tool that lets you mentally rehearse living your dream life. Repeat this daily, and over time, your subconscious begins to accept these images as true, subtly guiding your actions and choices to bring that vision to life. Consistent visualization transforms your goals from ideas into realities. Technique 3. Scripting. Scripting is the art of writing down your goals as if they've already happened. Begin by grabbing a journal and writing a page or two from the perspective of future you. Write about how it feels to have accomplished your dreams. For instance, if you're manifesting a loving relationship, write about a day spent with your partner, noting every detail that makes you happy. Use language that reflects your excitement and gratitude, as though it's all real. By writing in the present tense, you trick your mind into believing that these things have already come to pass. This builds confidence and alignment with your desires, reinforcing the belief that they are inevitable. Return to your script regularly, adding new pages or reading old entries. Scripting is a method that combines clarity with emotional resonance, helping you stay aligned and excited about your journey toward manifestation. Technique 4. Affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that reprogram your subconscious mind. Choose a few sentences that align with your goals, such as, "I am worthy of love and success," or "Abundance flows freely into my life." Repeat these affirmations out loud or in your mind several times a day, especially during moments of doubt or frustration. Consistency is key here. Every repetition of an affirmation strengthens its impact on your beliefs. Eventually, these statements begin to override limiting beliefs and fill your mind with empowering thoughts that support your dreams. Affirmations are the building blocks of a strong, resilient mindset, that keeps you connected to your highest potential. They remind you daily of what's possible and gradually mold your inner world to match your aspirations. Technique 5. Gratitude practice. One of the most profound manifestation techniques is gratitude. Each day, take a few moments to acknowledge the blessings in your life, both big and small. When you cultivate an attitude of gratitude, you shift your focus from lack to abundance, which attracts even more positive experiences. Start a gratitude journal and write down 3 to 5 things you're thankful for each day. This could be as simple as a warm cup of coffee or a supportive friend. When you express genuine appreciation, you elevate your vibrational state, aligning with the energy of your desires. Gratitude fosters a mindset that welcomes abundance and helps you recognize the gifts that already surround you. It's a magnetic force that draws even more blessings into your life. Technique 6. The 55 by 5 method. The 55 by 5 technique is a manifestation practice where you write down your desire in a specific statement 55 times for 5 days in a row. For example, if you're manifesting confidence, you could write, "I am confident and self-assured in all situations." By repeating this exercise daily, you're embedding this thought deep within your subconscious. The repetitive nature of the 55 by 5 method works as a way to rewire your brain and reinforces your goal as something that's achievable and real. Keep the statement short and focused to maintain clarity and intention. After the 5th day, let go and trust that the energy you've built is now working toward your goal. This technique serves as a focused ritual, helping you connect with your desire powerfully and with intention. Technique 7. Acting as if. Acting as if is about embodying the qualities and lifestyle of someone who already has what you desire. If you're manifesting health, adopt habits that support a healthy lifestyle. If it's financial success, carry yourself with the confidence and mindset of someone who manages wealth wisely. Acting as if shifts your energy, creating a strong resonance with your goal. It's a practical step that aligns your current life with the life you want, sending a clear message to the universe that you're ready for more. This technique shows that manifestation isn't just about thoughts, but also about aligning actions with your beliefs. It's a powerful reminder that you are already living the version of yourself that you envision. Technique 9. Visualization with music. Enhance your visualization by pairing it with music that evokes the right emotions. Find a song or instrumental piece that resonates with your vision and helps you feel inspired. Let the music carry you deeper into your visualization practice, using it as a backdrop that amplifies your feelings. Allow the rhythm and melody to guide your imagination, making the experience even more vivid. Music can evoke emotions that help you connect with your desires on a profound level, making visualization feel more real. Adding music to your practice engages both your mind and heart, turning your vision into an immersive experience. Technique 10. The pillow method. The pillow method is a simple but effective way to keep your desire close to you as you sleep. Each night before bed, write down your intention on a piece of paper, be it a dream job, financial goal, or relationship. Place the paper under your pillow, and as you drift off to sleep, think about your desire with gratitude, imagining how it will feel when it's realized. This technique uses the power of your subconscious during sleep to reinforce your desire. Sleeping with your intention literally under your head helps it sink into your mind, keeping it active even as you rest. By focusing on your desire as you fall asleep, you harness the powerful state your mind enters at night to work towards your goal, helping it to manifest sooner. Technique 11. The mirror technique. The mirror technique involves standing in front of a mirror and speaking directly to yourself about your desire. Look yourself in the eyes and affirm your goals, using phrases like "I am successful" or "I am attracting my ideal partner." Speak with confidence, as though you're talking to the version of yourself who has already achieved this desire. This technique is powerful because it creates a strong sense of connection with your future self. By verbalizing your intention and watching yourself speak it, you're reinforcing it visually and emotionally. The mirror technique helps you build self-belief and confidence, strengthening the link between your current self and the life you want to create. Technique 12. Creative Visualization Board. A creative visualization board, often known as a vision board, is a visual representation of your goals. Gather images, quotes, and symbols that resonate with your desires and arrange them on a board. This might include pictures of dream destinations, career goals, or inspiring affirmations. Place your board somewhere you can see it every day. Each time you look at it, let yourself feel the emotions of already having achieved these goals. This daily visual cue keeps your mind focused and your spirit energized toward your aspirations. A vision board is a constant reminder of your dreams and brings them into your awareness, aligning your thoughts and actions with your intentions. Technique 13. Breath work and centering. This technique is about using breath to enter a calm and focused state before engaging in your manifestation practices. Close your eyes and take deep, slow breaths, focusing on the rise and fall of your chest. Imagine that each breath is bringing you closer to your goal, grounding you in the present moment. Breath work helps to calm the mind and remove anxiety or fear about the future. A clear, focused mind is more receptive to positive intentions and manifestation work. Practicing breath work before any other technique amplifies its power, creating a space of peace and presence that makes your intentions stronger. Technique 14. I am statements. I am statements are powerful affirmations that align you with your highest self. Instead of stating what you want, state what you are. For example, say, I am abundant, or I am fulfilled in my career. These statements make you feel as if you're already living your dream. Incorporate these statements into your daily life, repeating them silently or aloud whenever you feel disconnected from your goal. The words I am tap into the present, establishing an identity that aligns with your desires. By affirming yourself in this way, you're creating an inner reality that mirrors your aspirations, making them feel natural and attainable. Technique 15. Heart-centered meditation. Heart-centered meditation is a practice where you focus on feelings of love, gratitude, and joy in your heart. Close your eyes, place your hands over your heart, and breathe deeply. Imagine your heart filling with warm, radiant light and send this love toward your dreams and intentions. This technique increases your vibrational frequency and allows you to manifest from a place of love rather than lack. The heart is a powerful emotional center, and focusing on it aligns you with positive energy. Heart-centered meditation cultivates a sense of joy and gratitude, which are powerful attractors for your desires. Technique 16. Segment intending. Segment intending is a practice where you set specific intentions for different segments of your day. Before you start a new activity, pause and set an intention for what you want to achieve or experience. For instance, before going into a meeting, you might say, I intend to have a productive and harmonious meeting. This technique keeps your mind engaged and focused throughout the day, reinforcing your desire in various situations. By breaking your goals down into smaller steps, you make manifestation feel more manageable and actionable. Segment intending helps you move toward your goal with clarity and purpose, creating a seamless flow between your daily activities and long-term aspirations. Technique 17. Letting go. Letting go doesn't mean giving up on your goal. It means releasing attachment to how and when it will manifest. After you've set your intention, trust that it's coming and avoid obsessing over it. Let go of doubts and impatience, allowing the universe to bring it to you in the perfect way. This technique requires faith and surrender, understanding that clinging to an outcome can create resistance. By letting go, you create space for your desire to unfold naturally. Letting go is a powerful reminder that manifestation doesn't need force. Trust that it's already on its way, and enjoy the journey without needing constant proof. Technique 18. Positive self-talk. Our internal dialogue shapes our reality, so practice self-talk that uplifts and aligns with your goals. Instead of thinking, I'll never succeed, replace it with, I am capable of achieving great things. Be mindful of thoughts that create doubt and replace them with empowering beliefs. Positive self-talk reinforces a mindset of success and belief in your ability to manifest your desires. It builds a mental foundation that supports your dreams and encourages resilience. By cultivating positive self-talk, you're training your mind to believe in the possibility of your goals, enhancing your manifestation process. Technique 19. Intention Candle Ritual. Using candles as a focus for your intentions can be a powerful ritual. Choose a candle color that resonates with your desire: green for abundance, pink for love, or white for peace. As you light the candle, state your intention and visualize it coming to life. Allow the candle to burn for a while as you meditate on your goal. The flame represents the energy and passion behind your desire, a physical representation of your inner vision. This ritual is a way to anchor your manifestation in the physical world, symbolizing your commitment to your goal. Technique 20. Journaling for reflection. Journaling is a way to process your emotions, monitor your progress, and stay connected to your goals. Write down your thoughts, insights, and any signs or synchronicities you notice along your journey. Reflect on what's working and what might need adjustment. Journaling helps you stay focused and grounded. By putting your experiences into words, you gain clarity and a sense of purpose. Each entry is a reminder of your commitment to growth and transformation. As you read back over past entries, you'll see evidence of your progress, reinforcing your belief that manifestation is real and achievable. Now that you're equipped with these 20 powerful techniques, it's time to put them into practice. Start by choosing one or two that resonate with you most and make them part of your daily routine. Remember, consistency and belief are your greatest allies on this journey. The life you desire is within reach, and it all begins with the thoughts, beliefs, and actions you nurture today. If you're ready to dive deeper into manifestation, join us for episode 8, where we'll explore how to manifest your dream. Stay committed, stay open, and watch how your dreams begin to unfold. And if you found this teaching valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to continue this journey into the teachings of Neville Goddard.